Here we go with fun again. You can go into the Windows Store and download a version of Alexa that you can use on Windows 10. It's good fun. I thought I'd put this up. Thanks. Hi, I'm doing this off the cuff. No rehearsal. Well, I got a couple of muck-ups. No rehearsal, no notes. And I want to do it that way because you'll get a flavour of how this app is in its infancy. So not Microsoft, not Windows, Amazon have launched an app so that you can, if you like, simulate Alexa on Windows 10. It's quite interesting, and I just found it out yesterday, so I'm brand new to it. So you go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Alexa. What are you doing? Alexa, and you find there the logo of Alexa. You click on it and then you go down. I've already got it installed and it's asking me to launch it, but you'll be asked to download it, then install it, and then once it's installed you can find it in your apps, click on it, and then you put in your Amazon ID and password, and you give it certain permissions. I give it all the permissions, I'm not bothered. And so that is what it is. And so I have got Alexa on here now, and I've got it in the system tray, and so if I click on it, it opens, and with the Windows Alexa, the first thing is that you can't say Alexa do this, Alexa do that. It doesn't respond to that. You have a little icon, a little round icon here, a button that you click on instead of saying Alexa. When I got it, I was clicking on the button and saying Alexa this, Alexa that. You don't need to. Just when you click on the button, just go in. Although it says Alexa here, you don't need to say it. Right, here we go. Weather for tomorrow, please.
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Lamlash. Expect clouds and showers, with a high of 9 degrees and a low of 2 degrees.
Latest news.
Here's your news. From BBC News. For BBC.
There are calls for a criminal investigation into who leaked information from a highly secure government meeting.
Here's your news.
Doris Day.
Should I play Doris Day?
Yes.
Shuffling your songs by Doris Day on Amazon Music.
Frank Sinatra.
Shuffling your songs by Frank Sinatra on Amazon Music.
You got up there and you've got a little menu here, and you've got it there. What you have to remember is that all these tunes I'm playing, I have purchased these and they are on my Amazon account. What you have to be careful is if you ask for a track that is not on your account, it comes up and asks you if you want to sign up at £10 a month, and be careful that you don't accidentally say yes unless you want to. So that's that. So reminder tomorrow.
Shuffling Your Songs by Frank Sinatra on Amazon Music.
Reminder tomorrow, 11 o'clock, John's coming.
Is that 11 o'clock in the morning or in the evening?
That is in the morning.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 11 a.m.
And you see it said Jean's coming there, and I said Jim's coming, right? So let's stop that. So you can see there are things there. I've only had it for 24 hours, and I found it interesting that they've brought. I was going to buy the Alexa speaker, 40 odd quid, and then I went into Google and stumbled on the fact that Amazon have done this app for it. Sorry about the hesitations, 85, getting on and I. But I do it to keep my brain going. So God bless you all out there. So I would recommend go in, download the app and use it. And the reminder works. I've got one coming up in 7 minutes, so I can't keep it running. Anyway, and the only caution I would say at the moment, I found that if the track's not there, it asks you to sign up. I don't know what other advertising is on there. So enjoy and goodbye. Thanks for watching, my friends. Haste ye back.